Right. In this case study, I'm going to explain you about a business scenario wherein by improving talent acquisition as well as retaining retention for any client, which is in technical solutions company, especially in context to the workday implementation as a workday business analyst. Because whenever we are applying for any opportunities as a business analyst in workday, it's always important for you to implement this from the workday BA perspective, from the scenario based. So for this regard, it's always important for you to understand which customer are we providing solution and what kind of problem are we facing, followed by the kind of objective you want to achieve. Next, what solution you are going to provide and what are the phases we must undergo and how. So in this process, being a business analyst, first we need to know about which company are we dealing with. So I've given a briefing about the company, which is called Qlian Tech Solutions, which is basically a technical company, like having somewhere around 500 employees globally. They are facing some challenge because as a BA, we need to understand what problems and challenges they are facing. So they are facing in challenges in attracting and retaining a top talent, especially critical technical roles, as they are facing some recruitment process which is slow, as well as the kind of new hires which are leaving from the company within the first year due to the unclear career development paths and all. HR team also struggling to track the performance and as well as providing effective training, which is even affecting employee engagement and retention. These are the problems which they are facing. So for this, what objective you want to achieve? So as a business analyst, you need to work on Workday HCM. Your major goal is to leverage Workday modules to streamline the talent acquisition process, at the same time improving employee performance management. Followed by this, building a better employee retention strategy. So these are the objectives, because these you can consider as a business objective, which is also called as project objectives here. That is something you must be knowing or you must be having. So, and you must be having an idea over that, right? So, what objective you want to achieve, right? So, as a business analyst working on Workday HCM, right? So, our major goal is to leverage the Workday modules, streamlining the talent acquisition process, followed by how and what that is to improve for employee performance management, for building a better employee retention strategy, are the objectives that are to be achieved here. So for this, what outcome you want to achieve, right? So what solution are we going to achieve out of this? So followed by this, what are the different phases as a business analyst we must undergo? Because as a BA, we act as a liaison between business and technical communities. Hence, we must perform that as well. That is also essentially important, right? So what phases we must undergo and how, that you must be knowing. So this part, right? So when it comes to the solution, what solution that are to be provided here, and what phases as a BA you must undergo and how, that I am going to discuss in the coming session.